Hey everyone! I'm holding the newly released DJI Osmo 360 and honestly, I think it's much more than a panoramic camera. It can also work as a versatile action camera for everyday shooting. Instead of throwing specifications at you, I want to focus on real problems I faced while using it. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. I took it hiking around Dongji Island and even replaced my action camera with it for everyday fishing. So why do I think the Osmo 360 is better for daily recording? For solo hiking and travel, the biggest challenge is capturing the scenery, people, and yourself without letting the camera ruin the experience. And this is where the Osmo 360 really shines. It can shoot panoramic video up to 8K 60 FPS. Just hold it and keep walking. You don't have to constantly worry about framing. Later, during editing, you can choose the angle you want and even crop the footage into landscape or portrait formats. And it's surprisingly light. With a shooting stick, carrying it on a long hike doesn't feel tiring. There's also a twist to shoot option. Turn the camera to start or stop recording. It's a small feature, but it makes shooting feel much more natural. The Osmo 360 also has a clever feature for travel videos. After recording, simply bring your phone close to the camera and connect through NFC. Choose your clip, then select Shoot Before and After simultaneously. The camera automatically combines footage of people and the surrounding scenery. For travel videos and short films, this can save a lot of editing time. Another common problem is getting yourself into a shot from a fixed position. With a traditional camera, you keep adjusting the framing. Here, you just need a mini tripod. Press the shutter, put the camera down, and start shooting. Since you can change the composition later, you don't need perfect framing while recording. The camera can also connect to DJI's microphone for audio. That's especially useful for hiking and camping videos. Good ambient sound can make viewers feel like they're actually there with you. And one thing I've always liked about DJI is its accessory ecosystem. The Osmo 360 now has a larger 2150 mAh battery, up from 1950 mAh. Even better, DJI kept the battery's overall design and specifications, so it remains compatible with batteries from previous action cameras. The magnetic locking system is slightly different, but the hard locking mechanism still works with my existing action interface accessories. Finally, there are 4 metal contacts on the bottom. These can connect with a selfie stick and give you direct shooting control. The selfie stick has a built-in 2000 mAh battery, and together they can easily handle a full day of hiking and shooting. The camera also gives you 105 gigabytes of built-in storage, so even without a memory card, you can record over an hour of 8K 60 FPS panoramic video. For a normal hiking trip, that's more than enough. Another big advantage for outdoor shooting is the interchangeable lenses. Since panoramic cameras have 2 exposed lenses, scratches and damage are always a concern. Being able to replace them yourself can save a lot of money over time. Now, let's leave hiking behind and talk about fishing. If you enjoy lure fishing, you've probably seen people wearing action cameras on the water. But here's the interesting part. The Osmo 360 can also work as a standalone action camera. Using a single lens in ultra-wide mode with a 1:1 aspect ratio gives you a wider, more dramatic view than the action. The square sensor delivers strong image quality and gives you plenty of room to crop later. And during editing, you can turn the same footage into either horizontal or vertical video. That means much more freedom for different platforms. It also supports 4K 60 FPS pre-recording with up to 5 minutes of pre-recording time. This is extremely useful for fishing because you never know when that big moment will happen. Pre-recording helps make sure you don't miss it. As for overheating during long pre-recording sessions, I don't think there's much reason to continuously shoot panoramic video for extended periods. But I tested single-lens 4K 60 FPS pre-recording outdoors at around 30 degrees Celsius. With 30-second pre-recording enabled, it kept recording for roughly an hour and a half. Worried about overheating? There's another solution. Remove the battery and power the camera directly with a power bank. In my testing, I didn't experience overheating this way. Overall, if you want one camera for travel, fishing, cycling, or everyday adventures, the DJI Osmo 362 is a very strong option. Its dual 1-inch square sensors and 8K 60 FPS panoramic recording give you huge flexibility when reframing and editing. And when needed, you can switch to a single lens and use it like a normal action camera. The replaceable lenses also help reduce long-term maintenance costs. So essentially, you're getting an action camera and a panoramic camera in one device. That's everything for this video. If you have questions about the DJI Osmo 362, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.